Get ready and gear up for the ultimate game of laser tag with ArmoGear Laser Battle. Team up and take cover because your opponent isn't far behind. Your gaming set includes everything you need for battle, a gun and a wireless vest for each player. With a 150-foot shooting range and realistic firing sound effects, experience your backyard transform into a battlefield. With 4 different team colors, you can easily tell the good guys from the bad guys. Choose between 4 shooting modes, each with its own unique abilities, voice prompt and ammunition, pistol for pinpoint accuracy, or machine gun for rapid fire. Blast through your opponent with a shotgun, or clear the room with a rocket. Switch on the gun's receiver mode to play with guns only. On a top secret stealth mission, lock into invisible mode and don't let the enemy find you. Or use the night vision flashlight to navigate through the dark. See who's closer to victory with the unique LED life indicators, helping you keep track of how many lives you have left. Feel the power of the advanced tactile vibrations so you always know when you've been hit. Play one-on-one or expand your team by purchasing additional battle sets. No need for connecting or pairing. So load up and watch the action unfold with the ArmoGear Laser Battle Gaming Set. Available in a 2-player pack or 4-player mega pack. Get yours today.
Hey Legends fans, I'm Bobby Val, and I'm here to talk to you about our
new Legends Premium Roleplay.
Here we have our Iron Man electronic helmet. This thing is really awesome.
The finish on it is fantastic. Looks almost like it came right off the movie screen. It's electronic, so when you take off the faceplate or put it on, it has illuminating eyes similar to the movie. This helmet is adjustable.
Even the chin articulates so that you can get it onto your head. The rear flap opens, the inner straps come out, has 3 points the size to your own head.
Close it up and you can be like Iron Man.
The coolest feature on this helmet is that the faceplate is magnetic. Once you have this helmet on, it's got 3 really cool signature sound effects. Mask up, mask down, power up. The helmet also features a 3-tier dimmer switch, so you can illuminate or deluminate the mask at any time you want. I'm Bobby Valla, and thanks for checking out this edition of Hasbro's Marvel Legends Designer Desk.
New from the world of Hot Wheels! Enter the Spin Storm! It's blue team versus red team. Whoa, that's fast! Blast through the booster at just the right second, and boom! 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 Take your opponent out! Launch more cars into 3 crash zones! You can race, spin upside down, and smash! Red car wins! The Hot Wheels Spin Storm! Set comes with 1 car. Other cars each sold separately. Adults assemble. Battery.
Wheels, make it epic with Criss Cross Crash. Grab your fastest Hot Wheels and load them onto the track. Criss Cross Crash. Reach insane speeds for epic crashes. Crisscross Crash. Whoa, that was close. The winner is the one who doesn't get smashed. Crisscross Crash, set with one car, adults assembled, batteries not included. Other cars each sold separately.
Hey, Vector. What's the weather?
Hey, Vector. Take a photo of me.
See you, Vector.
Hello. How can I help you?
Kona, what's the weather?
Rain, buying jacket, buying everything.
No.
Selling private information now.
No.
Robot, open the door.
I'm sorry, Ethan, but no. Goodbye.
Ethan,